What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak all iOS 11 and iOS 12 versions without computer. This method will allow you to easily install the jailbreak online from your iPhone so you don't have to use computer. So here, as you can see, I'm using iPhone 6 Plus and I'm on iOS 12.5.7. My device, as you see, isn't jailbroken, so I'm going to show you all the steps you need. So the first thing you will do is go to this website. Here you will find Freya jailbreak tool signed and uploaded by me. You can install it directly from here, no computer required. Go ahead and press download button. Now it will ask you to install Freya jailbreak tool. Hit install. Now go to the home screen and you should find the app downloading, as you can see. Just wait for it to finish downloading the app. I will speed up the video. And boom, as you see, the app has been successfully installed. Go ahead and open it, and that's it. Freya jailbreak for all iOS 11 and iOS 12 versions. When you open it for the first time, you will see this alert. Since this is your first run, we have automatically selected what we think is the best exploit for your device. The exploit chosen is time waste. If this is not your desired exploit, please change it under the settings menu. Press OK. If you go to settings here, you will find more options like tweak injector, load tweaks, substrate, and restore root FS. I recommend you to keep it as it is. Now let's jailbreak my device. Here below, hit the jailbreak button and it will run the exploit to jailbreak your device. Just wait for it to finish jailbreaking your device. It might take some time since it is the first time to jailbreak. So just wait a few seconds. And boom, jailbreak successfully installed Cydia. It will ask you to respring now or view the log window. Just press respring and that's it. Now go ahead and you should find Cydia icon on the home screen, as you see. And that's it. Go ahead and open it. Okay, this is Cydia. Just wait for the sources to finish refreshing. Once finished, you should upgrade all the tweaks and dependencies in order for Cydia to work fine. I will speed up the video. As you see, here you can upgrade the essential tweaks or complete upgrade. I recommend you to use complete upgrade. If you press ignore, you can simply install them just by going to changes here and press upgrade button. Hit confirm to upgrade all the important tweaks and dependencies. So this is Cydia. You can now install your favorite tweaks or your favorite package managers. So this is how to install Cydia online without computer, and that's it. Freya jailbreak is a complete fully open source tool for iOS 11.0 up to iOS 12.5.7, and it works on both iPhone and iPad OS. So this is how to jailbreak iOS 12 with Freya jailbreak tool. It's very simple and easy. You should know this, guys. This is the paid method and it's not a free. The links is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak videos, and peace.